Welcome to my unboxing. And we will going to unbox because I want to capture images. That's why I buy this. This is Canon.
That's why I bought this.
That's why I buy this. Okay, why did I bought this? Because I want to capture memories. What happened to my English? It became something like this. This video is for unboxing only, no review. Kaya bumili ako nito. I like Canon because it's like bazooka, Canon. Ang nabili, ito Canon EOS 800D with EFS 18 to 55 STM lens, kit lens. So meron tong kit lens itong nabili ko. Tapos bumili na rin ako nito itong 50mm 1.8 STM. Okay, let's unbox. Actually, yung box na to, ang camera to, itong laman. There's a cat in the box. Oh, there's a cat in the box. Diba? A very cute cat. Wow! Bubuksan po natin yung box. Sige, syempre, obviously, kaya nga unboxing. Oh, open natin ganito para kitang-kita ninyo. Ano bang nasa loob ng box? Well, nasa loob ng box, what is this? Canon strap. Canon, ewan ko. Ito po yung charger. Sige, buksan natin charger. Oh, charger. Oh, Canon charger. And then, ito yung kit lens. Kung di ako nagkakamali, ito yung kit lens. Lens, mabibili ito. Mura lang yun, oh. Ayan ang itsura ng Canon kit lens. Oh. Okay, ito yung body talaga. Ito yung pinaka-juice ng unboxing. Sabi dito, 6 FPS daw. Ano yung FPS? Full step first. Ay, akala ko yung sa counter. 6 ito. Pang-slow mo pala. Ano to? Yung may APS-C CMOS sensor, 24.2 megapixel. Actually, this camera is good for entry or beginner photographers or enthusiast photographers like me. Cool, right? Ayan, out of the box, there is nothing in the box. This is my first unboxing video. So, this is the body kit mismo. Maganda naman yung body kit. Feels like professional. You know, may viewfinder. Tara natin. Hindi ko alam buksan. Ayan, may pindutan pala to. Nakasara eh. Pipindutin ko ba pa? Paano ito bubuksan? Wow! Ang galing! Huawei! Mana nilalagay niya, like takulay maluto. Hindi ko po alam yung nagagawin.
Tsaka wag mo na exposure ka nga.
Ay, ganun po ba? Ayan, so ito na po yung finished product na may kit lens. Pero sabi nga, it's not about the camera but the person behind the camera. Pero syempre, para kung gusto mong ma-unlock ang camera mo, doon ka sa manual lagi, o di ba? This is a very good beginner camera for me. Yeah, right. It feels so great to have a camera like this. So, kung gusto mong bumili ng camera ng SLR, para sa akin pwede ito kasi malaking kamay ko. Pwede na siyang pang-travel kasi ito lang eh. So, tapos na tayo dun sa box ko. Kasi na-unbox ko na eh. Wala. Ito po pala yung prime lens. Kung makikita nyo, metallic yung likod. O, di ba? Ang ganda. May mura dito yung Yongyu. Yung sa Lazada. Yung sa Lazada, 2.5 lang. Pero kung bibili kayo, ito na lang diretso. Maganda to, magandang lens. Kasi ito yung pang-bokeh. Bokeh. Pang-bokeh. Bokeh shot na yung nakikita nyo, alam nyo yun, yung glitter sa likod, yung pang-lights. O, di ba? Ganda. So, yun guys, yun ang unboxing ko. Pero share nyo and i-like nyo.